So I just got hurt in an accident and I'm scared. What are the most important things I need to do in the first 24 hours?
Yeah, that's a great question. Most of our clients have never been in this situation before. They don't know what to do. A lot of people don't realize that personal injury lawyers don't charge any money up front. Most people think that when you hire a lawyer, you've got to write a check in order to get a lawyer, and that's true in most areas of law, but not personal injury. So we tell everyone one of the first things you should do is just reach out to a personal injury lawyer and get that advice from them. The advice that I would give when somebody would contact me first would be get medical treatment. Even if you think that you're okay, just go get checked out because if you wait and pain develops over the next few days or the next week or two, if you don't have that initial visit, sometimes the insurance company is going to deny your claim. The second thing is that the insurance company, they're not in the business of paying out claims. Insurance companies are in the business of saving money, and
What?
yeah, right. So they can do all those commercials on television. But just realize that an insurance adjuster is not your friend, and they don't have your best interests at heart. And then finally, it's a matter of documentation. So if you miss time from work, we need to get a note from work. If you've got medical bills, we're going to need that. If you had to cancel vacation plans or any other way that your injury may have impacted your life. Those are all things that we want to know about because an insurance company doesn't just write you a check. You're not just in an accident and get a check. You need to prove first that the other person was at fault, and then second, how you were injured. If you're not injured, you're not entitled to any settlement or compensation. I think a lot of people don't understand that.
So the other drivers insurance companies already calling and they're saying we'll take care of everything. Should I talk to them?
My advice is no, okay? Because they may ask questions in such a way that you may not realize, but could definitely impact your case. I can't tell you how many times clients have come to me after the fact. They thought the insurance company was going to do the fair and honest thing and pay for their injuries. And then they find out that they're not going to, but by the time they come to me, they've already done something which jeopardized the recovery in the case. I can't do anything about something that somebody has done that has hurt their case in the beginning. So because we don't charge anything up front, we only get paid at the end and only if we make a recovery. That's why I always recommend to people just pick up the phone and make a call.